Health benefits of garlic are: garlic combats cough and cold. Raw garlic has the potential to ward off cough and cold infections. Eating 2 crushed garlic cloves on an empty stomach has the maximum benefit. For kids and babies, hanging garlic cloves in a thread around their neck is supposed to relieve congestion symptoms. Garlic are good for cardiac health. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, stops the oxidizing of bad cholesterol. This reduces cholesterol levels and improves heart health. Regular consumption of garlic reduces the incidence of blood clots. Garlic also lowers blood pressure, so it's good for patients with hypertension. Garlic improves brain functioning. Garlic promotes brain health because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is effective against neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic improves digestion. Digestive problems improve with the inclusion of raw garlic in the diet. It benefits the intestines and reduces inflammation. Eating raw garlic helps to clear out intestinal worms. The good thing is that it destroys the bad bacteria and protects the good bacteria in the gut. Garlic balances blood sugar. Garlic also balances blood sugar. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels, regulating the consumption of raw garlic. Garlic also boosts immunity. Garlic protects against free radicals and prevents damage to the DNA. Zinc in garlic promotes immunity. Vitamin C helps to fight off infection. It is very beneficial against eye and ear infection as it has antimicrobial properties. Garlic improves skin health. Garlic helps prevent acne and lightens acne scars. Garlic improves skin health. Garlic helps prevent acne and lightens acne scars. Cold sores, rashes, and blisters can all benefit from the application of garlic juice. It also protects against UV rays and therefore prevents aging. Garlic also prevents cancer and peptic ulcer. Because of a high amount of antioxidants, garlic protects the body against lung, prostate, bladder, stomach, liver, and colon cancer. The antibacterial action of garlic prevents peptic ulcers as it eliminates the contagion from the gut. Garlic is also good for weight loss. Garlic reduces the expression of genes responsible for the formation of adipose cells, which store fat. It also increases thermogenesis in the body and leads to the burning of more fat and the lowering of bad cholesterol. Apart from the fact that it is good for weight loss, garlic is highly nutritional. In fact, 1 clove of raw garlic, which is around 3 grams, contains magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, amount of calcium, copper, potassium, iron, and so many more. Garlic may improve athletic performance. Garlic is considered one of the best performance-enhancing substances. In olden times, the item was used to treat fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. Garlic helps improving exercise performance. People who had heart disease consumed garlic for 6 weeks, and this resulted in a 12% reduction in their heart rate and better exercise capacity. Garlic also fights UTI and improves renal health. Fresh garlic juice has the potential to reduce the growth of E. coli bacteria that cause urinary tract infection. It also helps prevent kidney infections. Garlic reduces infection on wounds, promotes hair growth, bone health, and liver health. Most of the home remedies are effective only if garlic is consumed raw. Garlic overcomes estrogen deficiency. The period of menopause for older women has often been associated with lack of female hormone known as estrogen due to irregular production of protein known as cytokine. Consuming of garlic has been seen to regulate this to some extent and therefore may be effective in overcoming estrogen deficiency after menopause. Garlic prevents heart blockages. Garlic is also believed to help reduce the thickness of the platelets in the blood. These platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Consuming a healthy dose of garlic can help reduce the excessive clotting effects of platelets on the blood. Therefore, it may help prevent unnecessary blood clot inside arteries that may reach up to your heart, causing a heart attack. Though there is some research to suggest that raw garlic has the most benefit, other studies have looked at overall allium intake, both raw and cooked, and have found benefits. Therefore, you can enjoy garlic in a variety of ways to reap its advantages. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thank you so much for being with me today also. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. My name is Kukua, and this is Kukua's Inspiration. See you in my next video. Bye.